I'm clumsy, very clumsy. Good morning, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So today we are gonna go on a little bit of an adventure because we are gonna help family out. And by doing that, we are gonna go to my cousin's property on the other side of our mountain, and we are gonna work on their porch. They have a beautiful wooden porch, and my aunt and uncle, when they were here last month, they started on it, but then the rain came and they couldn't finish it. So we're gonna head over there and finish what they started. So let's head over to my cousin's property. So we are here. See, it's not a far drive. It's literally right over our mountain. We share a mountain, which is really cool because our future plans are going to involve these mountains. But their property is really, really pretty. This is a property my husband and I looked at prior to seeing the property that we have. Our previous owner, she also owned this property as well. And we saw this one first and we were like, we're sold. We're getting it. This is the property we want. And then our realtor took us to the other side, and as soon as we saw that property, we were like, no, this is home. But this property is beautiful as well. It's more secluded and it's more rural. I would say this is definitely a more of a rural property. It's beautiful. Alright, so that was the front of the property. That's what you see from the house. Right behind me is the house, and that is what we're going to be working on. Let me show you what my aunt already did, and then you can see the difference between how that looks and then what we're going to do right now. So the very front porch where you go into the house, she already stained this porch. The stairs and then the whole porch, but she didn't get to the front of the porch, and then she didn't get to the porch on the side of the house. So you can see the difference in the stain. This hasn't been stained yet, but the stairs have been stained. And then half of that other side porch has been stained. She ran out of stain, and then it started raining. They had to get home. So I told her, send me the stain, and when I have time, I will get over here and I will do it. So that's what we're gonna do today. We are gonna go ahead and finish staining these porches as much as we can today. If we don't finish it, we got all the time in the world, we'll just come back. So let's get started on staining. All right, so we're up on the top side porch, and you can see she finished half of it, and we still have this half to do. She also stained the top of these railings, but not the in-between, so we're gonna probably work on that as well. Again, we're just gonna do as much as we can. It's a beautiful day. It's not hot, it's not cold. A little bit of a wind, which will be nice. So it should be nice.
Stay here, no, ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, We'll be alright, just you and I, singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside, gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand.
All right, friends, so I'm finally done. I've been here all day, and I finally finished at least the porch on the side of the house and also the stairs. Let me show you how great this looks. Alright, so I'm gonna head out to the outside behind so I can show you how the stairs look from down there. Alright, and there's the stairs. They look fantastic. I really like that color. So those are done. The porch is done. It's just the main porch in front of the house that needs to get done, and also the outside. See, I don't do good on ladders, guys. I'm clumsy. Very clumsy. So that's not for me. That's something my husband or my father-in-law will do, not me. I'll do the easy stuff. Alright, so I need to get home and check on all the animals as well as get dinner started for my husband because he'll be home pretty soon. So let's head home and see how everybody's doing and get started on some dinner. We're back at the house and let's see how our pigs are doing. Hermione! Hagrid! Oh! Yeah, Stinky out. Oh!
Good.
They are both doing really good and getting big. They definitely love having the company of each other, and they just play all day long. Alright, enough playing with the pigs. Now I need to get inside and start dinner. Alright friends, thanks for stopping by the homestead with me as I got some work done over at my cousin's property. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know why.